Hello everyone, welcome to Brother Naija Scoop. My name is Hope Sobola and I do not roll solo. I have my co-host nearby.
Hi guys, my name is Brother Naija. Welcome to another episode 2 of Big Brother Naija Scoop, where we give you the updates of what is happening in the house. It's been a hectic week. Last week, a lot happened. That's why I'm saying they should just make sure the both of them.
But I don't think it will work.
No, it will,
because sharing a guy.
It happens here in South Africa.
Will be like,
it happens here in South Africa.
It does.
There are those twins that they only date the same. And I think but when I saw them for the first time, I could see that these ones make a great couple. Why are they not together?
They do, but I don't think their personalities. I don't think they gel well together. Okay. You know, I think Victoria is too reserved. Okay. You know, she's too content with herself, and then Sean is like this almost playboy.
Yeah, Mr. Smooth.
Yeah, Mr. Smooth. Like who just wants to go in diving into every lady's head.
It is DJ Flo with the heads. I don't know where she gets her heads from. Whoever is making those heads, must be fired. but they are cool. They work for her.